Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you the light attack for spear in Where Winds Meet. Number one was the spear uppercut. Okay, if you're studying at home, make sure that you know the top and or the bottom. You're holding the center, and to begin with, grab the spear in the bottom and step up with your right leg and slide up using your waist. And you see the line? A line is pretty much from the lower corner to the upper corner. And think about the imagination slide line, and then body just follow the spear. See, super nice and clean, and you know where to begin, you know where to stop. Otherwise, most of the time you do is like losing the control and you swing with your body because you're doing the routine. And when you do the single moves, make sure that you know where to slide. That's what I call slide. Spear. You see that? My body go with my spear, slide up. That's pretty much the very first movement. Make sure that when you are doing long weapons, you do not only use your arms. It's different than the short weapons. You have to use your whole entire body and your leg and foot step. Because the next one we're gonna do is a slide. You see, flat. How to do the flat slides for the second move is really using the arm changing skills. You're gonna go slide up, make it short, and then it's like a cloud spear. See the momentum? And then using the right hand, use your body, slide. Again, right? You see my body is not just using the arms, otherwise you're losing the flavor for the weapons. You finish the uppercut, flat, see my hands twist, you see my body, and then at this point, against your back, use your whole entire body to bring the spear, slide. That way, in the real life, it's more power. That's my second move. Talk about the foot. Step up first, don't change your footstep yet. Slide, lower your body position. Now you're into the next one, same thing. Use the bottom to attack. Watch my hand. Change, attack, flat. You see that? One more time. Change. Again, use your upper body with your spear. Attack. This way, your foot still like high horse stance. You see that? Boom. And watch. First one, slide, change, boom, attack. The most important for the number 3 attacking is to using the back to stop the spear. Okay, you do not go to slide and lose control. Same thing, you always find the target to finish. So slide, change your hand, slide in, using the bottom to attack, use the top to stop, use your body stop. The next one is to slide up, slide again, uppercut again. So when you do any big X motion, always think about the X line from bottom to up, and use your backhand stabilize our spear or any equipment you use, and to step up, use your whole body. So you see my line? One more time. Slide. Okay. If you are doing this correct, you can hear the wind. Okay, you're creating by yourself. Let's see the fourth one. Attacking. Slide to the bottom using your arm. Step up and use your waist with your weapon. Okay, watch. With your weapons. One more time. It's actually very fun to try to creating that noise and sound by yourself. Let's do it again. Attacking, slide, step up with your body and stop. Okay? That's the next one we're gonna do is actually more difficult. Every time you do any stepping up with the turn, it takes a long time to find the center. So you see, I using the movement, find your center. You have to go, turn around, step up, and boom, step up. Using my foot, step up. Alright. Again, do you hear the noise? Created by you. How? Same thing. Back to the number 1. After the boom, go. Watch my foot step. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see that? So make sure your stepping is clean. You start from here. 1, 2. Okay. This is how you finish. Change your hands. 1, 2, up. That's the motion. The footwork at this movement is the key. Step up. Okay. Change your hand. Change your hand. Alright. Right, left. When you do right motion with your arm. Cut. And the bottom foot hands are stabilized. Your entire weapon. You have able to stop yourself. Again, one more time. Especially when you're traveling. If you're doing it at home, don't bump into a bed or TV. Okay, make sure that you are aimed one direction and stop right there. Okay, ready? One more time. Step right here. 1, 2, 3. You see that? I'm super intensely using my center and stop the bottom on my hand. So I'm not swimming everywhere with my weapon. You see that? Hear that? Hear that? Okay, that's this move. The next one is a repeating movement. Watch, going back. Again. One more time. Going back. Again. Alright. Looks simple though. Okay? Looks simple. But how to make it more clean and powerful is all about core. Okay? How to control. So finish afterwards first. You see that? You release. Exhale. Coming back. You see the line? How to go up. That's how you're coming back. Same line, you're gonna do the same thing. Step up and stop yourself. You see that? The best to stop you just against yourself and then use your core. Walk through one more time from beginning to the end. Okay? Be careful of the detail. Beware of the detail. Standing up straight. Changing your hand. Grab the sword. Spear. Step up. 1, 2. Same step, right? No stepping up. 3, changing hand. Use the bottom. Tap, tap. 4, step up. And 5, changing hand, changing foot, uppercut. And release. One more time. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.